What's up, guys? You know who it is, you know what it is. It's Card Perfect, your boy. Now today, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be revealing the trick in the giveaway video. Now, you haven't seen the video? You haven't seen that crazy awesome card trick? You gotta do that right now. So make sure, click that link, it'll also be down in the description and on the pinned comment down there. So go check out that video if you haven't already. And hey, maybe you might have won the contest. Who knows? So, make sure before we get into this video, you subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss any content. Also, you might have won the giveaway, and you didn't ring the bell, so you didn't know you won the giveaway. By the way, ring that bell, go check out the video, give this video a thumbs up, and let's get into this trick right now. Also, there is one more thing I do need to let you guys know about. Actually, there's two more things, but related to the same thing. The first one is that on Monday, Magic Monday, I will be on Nandan Purigi's channel, so make sure to go ahead and check that out. It's either going to be this Monday or next Monday. I'll have to double check with him on that. But anyway, either this Monday or next Monday, I'll be on Nandan Purigi's channel. Make sure to go and give him your support and subscribe to him. I'll put the link to his channel down in the description so you guys can check out my performance with this crazy self-working, mind-boggling card trick on his channel. The other thing is, Nandan Purigi is really trying to help out magicians right now and trying to really uphold the magic community with a lot of the work he's doing. So a couple things he's done is, well, one, he's helped make this PDF file on why people make fun of magicians. And in the next 2 months, actually what you can do is, you can sign up for his newsletter. You'll get both that PDF on why people make fun of magicians. In the next 2 months, you will receive 3 emails about magic presentation tips and free PDFs of card tricks or magician's advice every week. So you will definitely want to sign up for that. I'll also put that down in the description with some other things from him. So make sure to check that out. Now let's get going. Alright, now first you need to know what the setup is for that trick. So here's the setup. Your top card is going to be a blank card. You have the Ace of Spades right here. Then what you're going to do is you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 random cards, which doesn't really matter what they are. And then you have the other 3 aces. And that is your whole setup. Now you can do some false cuts if you want to in here, just to make sure that the spectator doesn't get suspicious of anything. You can do that if you want to, and I will have some false cuts that I've done tutorials on right up there, and also down in the description. So if you want to check those out, go ahead. Just on my channel, some really simple false cuts that you can do. There's also definitely more complicated ones that are a little bit more flourishy that still are false cuts, like that one. I call that one elimination. But let's get into how to actually do this trick. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to start off with the double lift, saying you're going to do a 4-ace trick. So right here, we have the Ace of Spades. You're going to take this card right here, set it off to the side. So right now you already switched that for the blank card. Now what you're going to do is the 11 to 19. This is actually a card force every time, no matter what number they pick. So you're going to go through, let's say 11 and 19, let's just say they say 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now when you're counting it, the way you don't want to do it is just pick it up into your hand and not switch the order of the deck. You want to lay them down onto the table, like that. Now what's going to happen is, it's at 11, no matter what 2 digits they say, the first digit you lay down on the table, the last digit you put over with the ace. You set the big pack on top of the little pack, and then you go again. So let's say they say 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You have 2 and 1. You're going to do that 3 times. It's that easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And it doesn't matter what number they say as long as it's 11 through 19. 1, 2, 3, and 1. Set this back over here, and your 3 cards will be the ace, the ace, the ace, and because you did that double lift, they're expecting this card to be the Ace of Spades, but they're going to get instead the blank card. So there you go. Now, if you guys did like this trick, make sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you did like it, and make sure to turn on that notification bell, because in all honesty, the winner had better go choose his prize, or else I'm going to have to give it away to somebody else. So, make sure to go and claim your prize. Hit that notification bell so that I'm in the next giveaway, which I'm going to say, how about on the next video I will be revealing when I do my giveaway. So make sure to stay tuned for that. This is Card Perfect, signing off.